What's up, y'all? I just woke up. It's like 8 a.m. I got a call from my cake for my birthday. My birthday party was supposed to be tomorrow. I forgot. They were calling around to see if we still want it, and I was like, fuck it. I still want my cake. So I gotta pick it up at 12. Right now, I'm gonna go to the dollar store because I need to get some groceries before tomorrow, because tomorrow is supposed to snow. So I need to get groceries, and that's basically it. I'm so tired, y'all. I just woke up, but I was like, let me get up because yesterday was so busy at the stores. I don't even know if you can see me, but yesterday was so busy at the stores, like you couldn't get in anywhere at all. So I was like, let me get my butt up and make sure I got some stuff and be an adult, because your girl be tired because I like to lay down. But I got up, brush my teeth, wash my face, put some clothes on, and that's what I'm gonna do, is go to the store. So I'll see you guys, I guess, when I get back from the store. I left my camera in my car all night and it was freezing, but I'm glad it turned on. But I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I just got home. I'm out of breath because I just brought all my groceries in. And that was a lot of work. And I ain't been grocery shopping in forever. And now I have to grocery shop. Well, I have to put these groceries up. And I also need to clean up too, because my apartment is a mess. I just took the trash out. And I'm about to put all these groceries up because I'm tired. I'm about to put all these groceries up. Whew, like I said, it's jacking. Okay, I'm back. So I got a lot of groceries, well, not really a lot of stuff, but just some stuff to hold me over for the weekend since it's supposed to snow. I want to get my camera. Y'all can't even see me. There we go. There we go. But let me turn the light on. Okay, that's better. So I wanted to get some stuff on me over for the weekend since it's supposed to snow really bad. Hopefully the snow doesn't last longer than these 2 days. Because but I got me some juice. I need some juice. Let me ignore this over here, y'all, because it's a mess. It is a mess. And I got me another case of water. So I'm gonna take this out and then put that behind it. And I was at the store, y'all. This really old lady, she said, my birthday is Sunday. And she was just yapping it up. She gonna be 85 Sunday. Happy birthday to her. She was a sweet lady. She couldn't, we were at the grocery store. She couldn't get her card to work. It was just so cute. Like, she was so sweet. She was like, you want me to pay for them? I said, the way groceries is now, girl, you can go ahead and pay for whatever you want. But she was just playing. I wouldn't know. But she was a sweet lady, She was funny. She was trying to figure her card out, and she was just yapping about her grandkids and everything. It was hilarious. One thing the little old lady's gonna do is definitely talk. They definitely gonna talk. But she was cute. She was a sweetheart. And I bought me some wine yesterday. I got me these, put it in the microwave, because sometimes I don't feel like cooking. And my fridge was empty, y'all. There wasn't nothing in it. Like, I just literally just quit going grocery shopping. I got me a pack of chicken wings. What are they doing? I mean, a pack of chicken wings. I can hear them outside the door. They're loud as fuck. Put this right here. And then I got me some more butter, because like I have butter, but I feel like I'm gonna run out. And I got me these chobani. One thing about these chobanis, they're good. I love chobani. And I got me some macaroni and cheese and some mashed potatoes and some mashed potatoes. I was gonna get some rolled potatoes, but I was too lazy to carry it. I got me some Uncrustables. I love these. Please tell me I got peanut butter. Okay, I only get strawberry. I love strawberry. I got me some, what is these? Eggo sticks. And some more sausage for my breakfast. I keep that shit dropping. And I got me some turkey. For me some sandwiches. And I got me some. They didn't have the natural cheddar, and is it the natural cheddar, sharp cheddar, whatever? So I got some Kobe Jack. I don't even think I like Kobe Jack for real, but that's all they had. And I got me some more juice, y'all, because your girl needs some juice. I'm gonna put this right down here. I've been grocery shopping so long, like that's so bad. And I'm getting hungry. I'm getting nauseous because I'm getting hungry. And I got me some chicken this is from Cash Savers. This chicken looks like the Chick-fil-A chicken, so I just got it. And I got me some apples because I needed something, some fruit, a snack. And I got me some hamburger meat. So I can make me a burger or whatever I can make, honestly. I think that is it. Oh no, I got some eggs too. I feel like I need more stuff, but oh well. It's such a mess, y'all. Weekend, since it's snowing, I'm just gonna clean everything and get everything put up in the right spot because I'm not doing anything else, and this place needs to be cleaned up because it looks like who done it and why in here. But that's all for right now. I'm finna go hang out with my friend. We're finna go to this donut place, so maybe I'll vlog there. Hopefully it's good, but we gonna see. So I'll see you guys maybe there. I'm getting some more. Hey guys, hi. We're at the Five Daughters Bakery, and we're finna try some donuts on her vlog. And I'm excited. That looks really good. Look, I think that's strawberry. I'm gonna have to get the cake. It's strawberry lemon. I'm getting the apple fritter. Strawberry lemon shortcake. Which one you getting? Apple fritter. I'm always getting pictures.
And this is just their regular original. So.
Oh, that's their original. That's their original one. The heart. They do look a little hard.
It's a croissant.
Oh, okay. A croissant. What y'all think?
I love it.
I mean,
it's the basic
one. Do we eat the
This is the vanilla.
I can't, because I thought it was going to be a little piece left. Can you take it home?
What is this one?
That's strawberry lemon.
This is strawberry lemon.
Oh, I don't think I'm going to like that one. There's strawberry lemon in this thing. And then you got, alright, eggs. Strawberry fields. Field? Yeah, fields. Fields. Like a field. Okay. I mean, that one kind of look good though. I do see what you're saying with the lemon, but maybe it'll be okay. I don't like lemon flavor.
Well, we trying it today.
Don't be trying to rate it too low now. It might actually be good.
Take this jacket off. Okay.
Ain't nobody.
I'm scared. Just give me a little bitty, itty bitty piece. I know my sugar is high as fuck.
Your who?
My blood sugar.
Glucose level.
High as hell.
But you need some insulin. I mean, some, yeah. Cause baby,
Hold on now, it's yours.
All right. Oh, it's got filling.
Yeah.
Oh.
It has some kind of
That looks
jelly
like
filling or something, or
Yeah.
jelly. Yeah, jelly filling.
Yeah, I don't even like that myself.
That's
I don't like that filling.
It's like strawberry jelly,
It's too much.
but it don't taste like real.
They should have left that part out. I don't even like
You
that.
like it? I
I'm
feel
gonna
like
give that a 6. I don't even like that filling for real.
oh,
Like that just looks like real
I'ma give it a
jelly that
5.
you put on a biscuit.
I feel like if it didn't have the jelly, it would have been better.
That is
that jelly that you put on
Yeah.
That jam.
Yeah, that's what it is. Jam.
Definitely what it is.
I don't like no jam.
Don't.
Okay.
Only on a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't like it.
You're stupid, man.
Okay. Is that gonna in there too? Okay.
I'm gonna say.
We in an art gallery.
I do want to go to Phil's.
The school?
No, the museum.
Oh, there's a museum.
Where it's like art.
I should have just took off today.
You and me both. Y'all should. I'm waiting on your friend. I'm trying to move accordingly.
We're in an art gallery, y'all, and
Enjoy.
I was gonna say it
yes,
has
do
the
not touch.
She's the bad guy.
We'll see you guys later.
This ballroom dancing thing.
Oh.
Yeah, you can stick your head in there.
Okay, you.
Serious.
Stick my head in here. No, for real.
We're gonna see ballroom dancing, guys. Oh, we could go in there for real.
Aww.
That girl was dressed up. Her dress is pretty.
Look at her, baby. She is. Period.
Like a side quest, you know?
You said what?
Side quest, like
Yes,
nobody
literally.
does this stuff anymore, you know?
Or people just think that it's not like cool.
Good morning, y'all. It's cold, but a bitch outside. Like, look, it's 8:50 right now in the morning. I just went to go put some more gas in my car. Put $10 in there because I was like, oh, you know, it'll give me like a little bit lower than a quarter. No, the bitch went to half. Yeah, what the fuck? But I just filled up my gas. I really got up to move my car so I could put it in the front this morning because like at night you gotta park in the back because it ain't no parking spots. Hold on. But damn, I ain't getting a tripod. But I just filled up my gas. It's a little crooked but whatever. I just filled up my gas and it's snowing a little bit already. It's a little bit of flurries. And I was gonna go to the store. My hands are like ice. It literally, my hands ashy too, but my hands are like ice. It literally says, I think it's like 17 degrees outside. Let me see. It's 19 degrees outside. The lowest is gonna be 17. And it feels like 4. It definitely feels like 4, maybe -4 at this point. It's cold and I'm tired. I went grocery shopping yesterday, so that's good. I went to Arby's last night and I got off. I went to my home care job and I went to Arby's, got off, you know, cool, whatever. I'm tired now. I'm exhausted. Ooh, I'm tired. I had a long day yesterday. I got up at like 8 a.m., like 8:30, whatever. I went to get me some groceries. And then I ended up going with my friends to like I think I vlogged it. I went to the family 5 Daughters Bakery. I don't recommend it. It was not that good. It was alright. Like, some were good, some were not, but for the most part, it was alright. But, we went to the Five Daughters Bakery, and then we went to go eat it. Bro, I tried Princess Chicken for the first time. That bitch slapped. Like, I got me the wings. They don't give you no wings. They give you the full chicken wing. Boy, I was in that motherfucker going down. And then I got me baked beans. I was like, I got baked beans, turnip greens, and some macaroni and cheese. Boy, bye. Like, I don't even know. You just gotta try because it was so good. Like, and it was fresh. Like, it was just so good. Everything was hot. It was to the point where I don't even eat leftovers, especially in a restaurant. But I came back home and warmed it up, put it in the microwave, and ate it again. It was so good. Like, I was tearing it up. And then I went to work. Literally went right to work after that. And then went to Arby's after that too. And then came home. So I was up all day. So I slept. I went to bed at like 1. And I slept basically through the night till my alarm went off. I need to turn whatever alarm I got off because I'm not getting up like early. I'm just we finna be stuck in the house. So I'm gonna just be chilling. Get up what I want. And then my manager, she's so sweet. She got me some cereals and stuff for my birthday and everything. And that thing is so sweet. I really do thank her for that. But right now, I'm gonna go to bed. And yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. This is probably the end of the vlog. So maybe, yeah, this is probably the end of the vlog for this week. So I'll see you guys later.